which is also called the Age of Reptiles. During this era were three smaller periods: Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Dinosaurs evolved or changed over time until a huge event caused the planet's climate to change, and over 75% of all living things on Earth became extinct. Extinct means that something is gone forever. That's why there are no dinosaurs around today. This all happened about 66 million years ago, way before any human beings lived on Earth. To this day, scientists still are not sure what exactly happened to cause this extinction. Some think that there was a worldwide eruption of many volcanoes that clouded the atmosphere with ash and smoke. Others think a meteorite struck the planet and caused a lot of damage. No matter what the cause, changed the Earth's climate so much that most of the life on the planet could not survive. Even though dinosaurs are extinct, we can still learn lots of fascinating things about them. Here's a fun fact. When the Chinese first found the bones of dinosaurs many hundreds of years ago, they thought the bones were the remains of giant dragons. The name dinosaur comes from two Greek words that mean terrible lizard. Can you imagine what it would be like to discover dinosaur bones? Especially if you had never seen anything like them before. That must have been pretty wild. Skeletons, bones, and fossils are why we know so much about dinosaurs today. And over the years, scientists have made more discoveries and even had to change what they thought about how dinosaurs lived or ate. Special scientists, called paleontologists, study dinosaur fossils and have helped create some general classifications or traits of dinosaurs. Because of paleontologists, we know that most dinosaurs were reptiles, meaning that they were cold-blooded. We also know that their legs were straight instead of bent, like other early reptiles like crocodiles, which is pretty interesting. Some dinosaurs walked on two legs, like the Allosaurus and the Utah raptor, while others walked on four, like the Stegosaurus and the Apatosaurus, which is another name for Brontosaurus. Another cool fact about the Apatosaurus is that it laid some of the largest eggs of all the dinosaurs. Each egg was about the size of a basketball. Size-wise, dinosaurs could be as small as a modern-day chicken, or larger than a school bus. Here's a fun fact. The Velociraptor weighed only around 35 pounds, about the size of a turkey, but its bite was as powerful as a lion's. Roar! Dinosaurs had different diets too. Some were herbivores, meaning they only ate plants. Some were carnivores, which means they only ate meat. And others were omnivores, meaning they ate both. If you were a dinosaur, what kind would you want to be? Here is another interesting fact. Some dinosaurs are actually related to birds. And what's even more interesting is how you can tell which dinosaurs are like birds and which aren't. It all comes down to their hip bones. Dinosaurs that walked on two legs have hip bones similar to birds. Some dinosaurs, like the Coelophysis, also had a wishbone, just like modern-day birds. So, the next time you're talking with your friends about cool dinosaur facts, you can tell them that both the T-Rex and the Velociraptor are ancient bird ancestors. Now that we've learned some cool things about our extinct reptile friends, let's review. Fill in the blank. The word dinosaur comes from two Greek words that mean blank lizard. Terrible. True or false? Another name for the Mesozoic era is the Age of the Reptiles. True. Name one of the three periods in the Mesozoic era. Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Fill in the blank. Meat-eating dinosaurs are called carnivores. True or false? An Allosaurus walks on 4 legs. That's false. Fill in the blank. Scientists who study fossils are called paleontologists. Great job, Dino Dynamos! The next time you turn on your favorite dinosaur movie, remember all of the cool things we have learned today. Even though dinosaurs have been extinct for millions of years, these terrible